When we go up to the codes, we're going to go down and find a P401 for a Ford memory code. When we get here, P401 for this Ford says it's a problem caused by insufficient flow when the EGR was cycled on. We already knew that if you go look at your scan data, but look at the rest of this. This is where it becomes important. We know this because delta PFE voltage did not change when the EVR solenoid duty cycle was increased. We also know we can replicate this by simply doing the engine running self-test to see if the code is still there. This is an important way to solve it. Also notice we have a lot of code, a lot of things this blocks. Once this code is present, the car is not going to look for misfire monitor, fuel control monitor, oxygen monitor, EGR monitors, a lot of other things. And here is exactly what we do on a test drive and what we look for. We look for a change in voltage in EVR when the vehicle is being driven. We've got the wire colors and other stuff. Take the time to read this because you'll see how to fix the car. Let's see how we use this. We actually go on a test drive and see what happens.